Okay, my name's Daniel. I'm 46 years old and I work as a cadet for Home in Place. 4 years ago, I was dealing with level 2 homelessness, the couch surfing, didn't really have a place to call my own. Through the Matthew Talbot organisation, they helped me get in touch with Home in Place and to try and organise a place of my own. And Home in Place, 6 months into the course, gave me a 2-bedroom apartment in Cardiff, and it's absolutely beautiful. I was stoked to actually have a place of my own again. What it offers is more of a long-term, like a home, like a forever home. You have tailored support. You have like people in the organisation who can actually reach out to and have discussions with and work on community outreach and community participation programs and things to help get people back on track and assist the community. There's been times where I've sort of fallen off the rails or felt like I was going off track or lost confidence. Times where I had relapses of things to do with my mental illness, and trauma from the past. They actually filled in the gaps and helped support me and pick me up and talk to me and counsel me through those bad times and actually make me believe in myself, make me feel like someone was there to support me and that no matter what, I had someone behind me who believed in me and who, would give me the tools that I needed to make things happen, to rebuild my life. Currently, I'm doing a cadetship with Home in Place. I'm almost through and nearly ready to graduate and get my certificate for own housing. So many things have come good for me since starting to deal with Home in Place, from when I moved in, when I was volunteering and got pulled into the TRG, the Tenant Reference Group, and did community outreach, expos, tenant events, things like that. And I felt like I wanted to give something back. I'd been helped from a really bad place and a hand up. And I thought, I want to give something back. I want to do something where I can help people like myself get their lives back on track and have stability and actually be contributing members of the community.